Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Sophos Intercept X on macOS, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Sophos Intercept X on macOS, start by closing any active applications. Go to the Finder on your Mac. In the Finder menu, click on Applications. Locate the Sophos folder within the Applications directory. Open the Sophos folder. Find the Uninstall Sophos application inside. Double-click on Uninstall Sophos to launch the uninstaller. When prompted, enter your administrator username and password. Click OK to proceed with the uninstallation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. When the process is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Close to exit the uninstaller. Next, to ensure all components are removed, open Finder again. In the Finder menu, click on Go. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. Type in /library and hit Enter. In the Library folder, look for any remaining Sophos folders. Delete any Sophos directories you find. Now, return to the Go menu in Finder. Select Go to Folder again. Type in /library and hit Enter. Check for any Sophos-related files in this directory. Delete those files as well. Finally, restart your Mac to complete the uninstallation process. You have successfully uninstalled Sophos Intercept X from your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.